Today, I will share some important facts about castor oil. It is often called a natural Botox and has been used for thousands of years. The ancient Egyptians used it, the Romans used it, and many other civilizations have benefited from it. Is ricin in castor oil dangerous? One major concern people have is whether castor oil contains ricin, a highly toxic chemical found in castor seeds. Ricin is 6,000 times more toxic than cyanide. But does this mean castor oil is harmful? Should we even use it? The good news is that castor oil is completely safe for use because the ricin is removed during the extraction process. Manufacturers are well aware of this toxin and ensure that the oil is free from it. Benefits of castor oil for skin. Castor oil is excellent for the skin. It makes your skin soft, glowing, elastic, and firm. If you have fine lines, deep wrinkles, or dry skin, castor oil can be very beneficial. The main phytochemical that makes castor oil so effective is ricinoleic acid, a deep penetrating moisturizer. It absorbs water and keeps the skin hydrated. This is why many people apply castor oil to their faces before bed. I recommend doing the same. By morning, you will notice a significant improvement in your skin, making it feel more nourished and youthful. Another major benefit is that castor oil has anti-inflammatory properties. If you have skin inflammation, applying castor oil can be an effective remedy. Castor oil also has antimicrobial properties, helping to fight bacteria, viruses, and fungi. However, it's important to understand that our skin naturally has good bacteria that protect us from harmful microbes. Skin issues often arise when there is an overgrowth of bad bacteria, yeast, or fungi. Even acne is linked to a type of bacteria, and castor oil can act as a perfect antidote. Additional skin benefits rich in vitamin E, protects against UV radiation and pollution, fades dark spots, helps reduce scars, acne marks, and pigmentation, promotes collagen production. If you have scars, stretch marks, or any skin damage, castor oil can help fill and heal them. Contains beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, essential for skin health. Includes magnesium and potassium. These minerals nourish and strengthen the skin. How to apply castor oil. Many people mix castor oil with coconut oil or olive oil because castor oil is thick and sticky. Others use it directly. The best way to apply it? 1. Take a few drops on your fingertips. 2. Gently massage it onto dry areas, wrinkles, or inflamed skin. 3. If applying before bed, leave it overnight for deeper absorption. Even if you use just 2 drops a day, it will cost you only $1 per day. Precautions for pregnant women. If you are pregnant and not yet ready for delivery, avoid applying castor oil to your belly or pelvic area, as it may induce labor. Castor oil as a makeup remover. Some women use castor oil as a natural makeup remover by mixing it with a lotion. It is far better than artificial makeup removers and provides additional skin benefits. Benefits for hair growth. If you are experiencing hair loss, massage castor oil into your scalp, especially in thinning areas. It stimulates hair regrowth and strengthens hair roots. For best results, deeply massage the oil into your scalp. Apply before bed for maximum absorption overnight. Which castor oil should you buy? If possible, buy cold-pressed castor oil as it is the purest form. Many commercial castor oils contain hexane, a toxic chemical used to extract more oil from seeds. The same applies to soybean, canola, cottonseed, and corn oil. Many of them contain hexane, which is harmful to the body. Castor oil for eyelash growth. If you want thicker eyelashes, apply 1 or 2 drops of castor oil to your lash roots. The results can be remarkable. Final thoughts. Despite castor seeds containing a deadly toxin, castor oil itself is completely safe and offers numerous benefits. Manufacturers ensure the oil is purified and free from ricin. However, if ricin exposure does occur, there is no known antidote, making immediate hospitalization necessary. It's fascinating how something potentially toxic can be turned into such a powerful and beneficial natural remedy. That concludes my video on castor oil. I hope this information was useful to you. See you in the next video. Take care and goodbye.